Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see the most important question for first semester and second semester. Principle of programming using C. Subject code is BPOPS 103 for first semester and for second semester 203. From Module 3 and Module 4, most important questions for scoring. This is only for theory purpose. In these questions does not queries any programming questions. We will make another video on module 1 to module 5, all important programs for your semester and exams. Let's see theory questions. Let's see most important. Let's see most important theory question from module 3 and module 4. From module 3, question number 1. What is an array? Mention different types of array. From module 3, question number 1. What is an array? Mention different types of array. How is a 2D array represented in memory? Explain with a suitable example. Next question. Question number 2. Differentiate between call by value and call by reference using a suitable examples. Question number 3. How one-dimensional integer array is represented in memory with the help of a suitable example. Demonstrate the initializing the array elements. Next question. Define function. List the different types of inbuilt functions and advantages of a function. Discuss the implementation of a user-defined function with a suitable example. Next. What is recursion? Discuss its working with the help of a suitable example. Next, differentiate. Formal and actual parameter. In that another sub question, local and global variables. Next, seventh question, explain sub question 1, various ways of passing parameter to the functions. Next question, how one-dimensional integer array is represented in memory. Next, eighth question, explain storage classes and scope of variables. Next, from module number 4, question number 1, using suitable example. Question number 1, using suitable code, discuss the working of the following string function. Question number 2, what are string? Write a C program to swap two strings. Question number 3, mention various operations that can be performed on string using a built-in functions. Explain any two functions. Next, fourth question, mention the purpose of a null character in C strings. Next, fifth question, define pointers. Explain declaration and Next, fifth question, define pointers. Explain declaration and Initialization of pointers. Next, sixth question. Explain types of pointers. Here all the most important theory questions are completed, and please subscribe to our channel and also share with your friends.